If you are looking for an AI study assistant that can help with homework, writing, quizzes, and exam preparation, you have probably come across Ryne AI. But is it actually worth using in 2026? Let's find out. What is Ryne AI? Ryne AI is an AI powered study platform designed for students. It helps you understand difficult topics, solve academic questions, summarize notes, generate essays, and prepare for exams. And instead of just giving answers, many of its tools are designed to explain concepts and improve learning. Key features: one of Ryne AI's biggest strengths is its collection of study tools. You can ask questions across multiple subjects, generate step by step explanations for many problems, summarize long documents, rewrite or improve essays, and create flashcards or study materials. It also includes AI writing assistants, making it useful for assignments, research papers, and editing your work. The platform is web based, so you can access it from almost any device without installing software. Pros: Ryne AI is easy to use even for beginners. It combines several study tools into one platform, saving you from switching between different AI services. The explanations are generally clear, making it helpful for learning rather than simply copying answers. It's useful for high school students, college students, and anyone studying independently. Cons: like any AI tool, Ryne AI isn't perfect. It can occasionally provide inaccurate or incomplete information, so you should always verify important facts. Some advanced features require a paid subscription, and it shouldn't replace your own understanding of the material. Pricing: Ryne AI typically offers a free version with limited usage, while premium plans unlock higher limits and additional features. If you use AI regularly for studying, the paid version may be worth considering. Final verdict: so is Ryne AI the best AI study tool in 2026? It's definitely one of the better options if you want an all-in-one AI study assistant for learning, writing, and exam preparation. While it is not perfect, its combination of study features, simple interface, and helpful explanations makes it a strong choice for students. If you only need occasional AI help, the free version is a good place to start. But if you study every day, upgrading to a premium plan could be worthwhile. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.